A veteran I know in Georgia uses VA loan to buy a duplex. Okay, he lived on one side and he rented the other. His tenant covers 75% of his mortgage. He paid about $600 a month to own his house. His neighbors were paying $2,400 a month to rent something smaller on the same block. His first lender told him he couldn't do it. He said VA loans were for single-family homes only. That lender was wrong. You see, I'm a veteran. I served as a captain in the U.S. Army, and I'm a VA loan myself. And this is one of the most underused plays in the entire program. Let's fix that today, guys. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you the rule that lender didn't know. The math that makes the deal work and the move that you run after you've done it once. Okay, in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you the rule that the lender didn't know. The math that makes the deal work and the move that you run after you've done it once. This is just straight out of the VA handbook, guys. You can buy a property up to 4 units. Duplex, triplex, fourplex. 0 down. One requirement is that you must live in one of the units as your primary residence. You move into the house within 60 days of closing, and you actually live there. This isn't a loophole. This is the benefit working the way it was designed. So why is this so powerful, guys? On a regular VA purchase, you qualify based on your income and your debt-to-income ratio. You see, when you buy a multi-unit, the rental income from the other units helps you qualify. Most lenders count 75% of the market rent. The other unit in your duplex rents for $2,000. The lender counts $1,500 of that against your debt. That can be a huge difference between qualifying and not qualifying. That can be the difference between a starter home and a real piece of real estate, building your real estate portfolio. And here's where most lenders get this wrong. Pay attention to this next part, guys. I run the numbers with me, real numbers. Say you buy a duplex in Port St. Lucie for $350,000, a VA loan, 0 down. Your total payment with principal, interest, taxes, and insurance comes in around $2,400 a month. You rent the other unit for $1,800 a month. Your tenant is paying $1,800 of your $2,400 mortgage. Out of pocket, you're paying $600 a month to own your house. $600. See, I live in Port St. Lucie, and you can't rent a 1-bedroom apartment around here for $600, guys. But you can own a duplex for that. And someone else is paying down your mortgage while you do it. You know, I know there's not a ton of duplexes around here, but I know that Port St. Lucie is talking about that. So if they do implement that, this can be a real good strategy. All right, now here's the qualifying piece. You see, the lender takes 75% of the $1,800 rent, so $1,350 in qualifying income. That gets applied against your housing expense on the DTI calculation. You see, you qualify for more property. You live for less. The tenant builds equity for you. It's not a hack. It's not a gimmick. That's the benefit you earned working exactly how it was supposed to work. But here's the catch. Not every lender knows how to close one of these. They just don't. If they mess it up, your deal dies at the closing table. And a few things have to happen. Number 1, the property has to meet VA minimum property requirements. That's an appraisal issue. All right. Number 2, the rental income needs documentation, either an existing lease from the current tenant or market rent analysis from the appraiser. And number 3, some lenders want to see 2 years of landlord experience before they'll count the rental income for qualification. If you don't have that, you can sign a property management agreement. A property manager runs you a few $100 a month and solves the experience problem. Walk in knowing these rules. If you know more about multi-unit VA purchases than the person sitting across the desk, you run the conversation. That's where you want to be. You bought the duplex, you lived there a year. Now what? Let's talk about the next move. Question I get every single week. Hey, Emmett, if I buy a duplex in my VA loan, can I ever move out? Yes, you can. Once you live there, the property for about a year, okay, you can move out and keep the property as a rental and do the same thing again. The VA loan stays in place. You don't refinance and you don't sell it. You keep making the payment. Now both units generate rent. Then comes the second move. You use your remaining VA entitlement to buy your next primary residence with another VA loan. Primary residence or heck, another, duplex, triplex, fourplex. Yes, you heard that right. You can have more than one VA loan at a time. It's called second tier entitlement, and I did a whole video on it. And links on the screen, and check out my channel. All right, so the play looks like this: buy the duplex, live there, let the tenant pay down your mortgage. You move into your next home using your remaining entitlement. Now, you own an investment property with a VA interest rate on it. Then you rent it again. That's wealth building, guys. That's the benefit working the way it was meant to. And it all starts with one duplex. A quick checklist. If you've got these four, you have a deal worth running. Okay, number 1, VA eligibility. Active duty, veteran, or surviving spouse with a COE, and I can check out, make sure that you're qualified. Number 2, credit. Most VA lenders want 620 or higher. The VA itself doesn't set a minimum. That can be a lender overlay, especially when you're doing multifamily. All right, number 3, the property. Up to 4 units, you occupy 1. Property meets VA minimum requirements. All right, number 4, the numbers. Rent from the other units covers enough of the payment to make your debt to income work. Are you not sure where you stand? First move is pulling your COE, which I can help you with, so give me a call. I can do that in about 5 minutes, electronically. Free, no commitment. Super easy. All right, don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't do with your benefit until you've seen the actual numbers on paper. If you want me to run the numbers on a property you're already looking at, text me at 772-618-5058 or click the link below to book a call with me. Send me the address, the price, what the other units rent for, and I'll tell you where you stand with your entitlement and whether the deal makes sense. No pressure, just numbers. All right, bottom line, guys. Your VA loan can buy a duplex, it can buy a triplex, it can buy a fourplex. Pretty cool. All right, the tenant helps you pay your mortgage. The rental income helps you qualify. And when you're ready to move, you keep the property as a rental and use your remaining entitlement to go again. That's not a trick. That's your benefit working the way it was designed. But it only works if the person helping you actually understands the program. So find someone who does, like we do. We specialize in VA loans. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. And share this with a veteran friend who needs to see it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.